What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Jake. Welcome to the JD Cars Automotive YouTube channel. Please be sure to go check us out at jd-cars.com. Follow us on Instagram at jd.cars, and please be sure to subscribe for more content. So as you can tell from the title of the video, we're making a little bit of a purchase today. I'm here with my buddy Jake at Quinn Iron, loading up his F-250 with a trailer. Looks like we gotta put some air in this tire back here. But yeah, hopefully gonna be hauling a Beamer home on this trailer. Go get some air in that tire and we'll be on our way. All right, never mind. Tire is absolutely shot on this trailer, so putting that one back, grabbing this one, and we'll steal the plate off of that trailer and put it on this one. Alright guys, we're about 15 minutes out from arriving at the X3 meetup spot. We're meeting them at Stop and Shop Plaza. It's my buddy Jake. Shout out to Jake for taking out the 350 and the little trailer. Gonna get her loaded up after a little test drive. Just take it around the parking lot. Not gonna poke the camera in this guy's face too much, but make sure it runs and drives. Make sure the engine's good, not leaking any crazy fluids. Put a new transmission in it anyways, but keep you guys updated once we get there. Alright folks, we have arrived. It's time to locate the X3. Oh, boys, we spotted her. We spotted her. All right, we're gonna do our thing. Update you in a second. All right, guys, we bought it. I'm now the proud owner of a 2005 BMW X3. 500 bucks, honestly. I'm pretty happy with this thing for 500 bucks. Guy was super chill. Huge shout out to Brad. Don't know if he's ever gonna see this video, but we got a solid rig. Runs and drives just fine. Needs some suspension work and some other miscellaneous things, but gonna get her loaded up, bring her home. So Jake, you wanna be my cameraman?
Sure. Hey.
Go to the right. Go to the right a little. Yeah, straight up. Go till it tilts down. Good. Stuck in the trunk.
Oh yeah.
I'd like to get strapped down.
Oh.
This is not the way to do it,
But fuck it.
go anywhere. Just had to go to Lowe's to get the sockets next. We thought the lug nuts were loose, but
Oh yeah.
turns out that the wheels are just reamed out on the trailer. So hopefully we make it back alive.
Yeah.
On the side of the highway tonight.
I'm gonna go show them what you're talking about. I don't know if it'll still move, but yeah, these wheels are aluminum. So even without any load, we came like an hour and a half down the highway. This wheel, oh no, it's not doing it now that's loaded, but there's play between the wheel and the lugs are completely tightened. So hopefully we make it home in one piece. But you see a big red truck on the side of 495, that's probably us. Any final words before we hop on the highway here?
I don't know. Hopefully we don't fucking lose the wheel. It's gonna be bad for people on the road and off the road.
Oh God. Somehow we made it back to the HQ in one piece. Didn't lose any of our wheels, Coffee, amazingly. Yeah, missing a lug nut over here, but we made it back in one piece. We got Redline Automotive Detailing. Now Truxton Design, go look them up. We're unloading the X3 here. We made it back. Not sure where I'm gonna park her, but glad we made it home in one piece.
All right, here we've got the classic BMW smell. Get a whiff of it. BMW. It smells damn good.
Yeah, it does.
It smells like a classic BMW over here. Look at this baby. Spare tire holder. Holy shit. We got a lot of presents in there. Let's see what we got.
We got
jumper cables. Don't put them on your nipples.
What kind of jumper cables are that? For a fucking go-kart?
Plastic bag for any drug paraphernalia. See what else we got here. What is this? Are these spot bugs? Oh, cool. Surf wax. Yeah, baby. Shaka. Fucking rear ends him. He jumps out of the car.
He loses the front wheel.
Him and his dogs are like, bye-bye.
Check out this mint suspension.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we call a Jiminy cricket job.
Yeah, so when you see these bars, that's when you know you're ready for racing.
This is a race compound tire, as you can tell by these lines right here. Yep. They run all the way around, extra slick surface.
That's the braking period.
So this is 3.0 for 3.0 thousand horsepower.
Intercourse.
Intercourse. And then lights for extra speed.
What the fuck? Fucking flashlight, my face, you asshole.
All right, slammer in reverse, Jerry. Put it in reverse, Jerry.
Oh, God.
Punch it.
Oh, yeah. Fucking mint.
Yeah, look at that girl right there. We're gonna have a lot of bleeps in this episode.
Coffee's towing business.
Not for hire.
Not for hire.
Let's take a look inside this girl right here. We've got the full-on cabin lights and everything. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. We got cigarette burns right here.
We got all-season floor mats though. Check them out.
Oh, that adds $2,500 value right there.
Check her out.
What's up?
Sounds like it has a slight exhaust.
Yeah.
You guys wanna go rip it?
Get over there, fat ass. Made it right past the Jeep. Didn't even hit the island. What a beast. Let her rip, boy.
3,000.
All-wheel burnout. Let's get it, boy.
Check out all the performance lights we got on the dashboard right here.
Oh, lots of lights on. I did not notice that.
That's for extra speed.
All right, so all jokes aside, following afternoon here, we have the car out. We're gonna take a look at it. I'm gonna show you what $500 got me, and I'm actually quite impressed, all things considered. So what do we got? We have a 2005 BMW X3 3.0, so we got the big engine in here. I believe it's the same engine, more or less, that I had in my BMW 328, the first car on this channel. But honestly, what strikes me the most, and what George was most impressed about last night, the body on this car is astoundingly clean for a car of this age and this mileage. It doesn't have a tremendous amount of rock chips on the front at all. Yes, we have to do some buffing and polishing of the headlights here, but that's to be expected. But in terms of the paint is in really good shape. We have a tiny bit of damage up there on the hood, just peeling clear coat from the looks of it. Tiny little nick right here. But other than that, glass is also in really good shape. We have tinted glass in the rear, not sure what percent, probably like 35, maybe 40. Glass is in good shape. We have a brand new windshield because he got a tiny crack in it when he was changing his wiper blades recently. But yeah, aesthetically from the outside, the car is in fantastic shape for its age. A little bit of damage right here on the bumper, but wheels, yes, they've seen better days. Lots of brake dust fused to the wheel, just, you know, kind of poor maintenance, but not the end of the world. I think I'm probably gonna sandblast these or hand sand them down and refinish them myself just to keep costs down. Maybe we'll peruse Facebook Marketplace, see if we can get a 6 set of like black wheels, but you can always just refinish these in black or whatever color I want. Maybe bronze. Maybe we'll wrap the car. Like, I don't know. I know I said I would never do a wrap after wrapping the F30 over there, but I'm seriously considering it on this car because the bumpers, as you can see, the bumpers are just black plastic for the most part, and then the tiny strip up there, not a big deal. The rear bumper is entirely black plastic, as you can see. So this isn't something I'd be wrapping. I would leave this how it is. Vinyl wouldn't even want to adhere to this because it's a pretty rough surface. So if I wanted to wrap it, it would be trunk, quarter panel, doors, fenders, and hood. And then probably the roof as well. But I don't think this would be a terrible car to wrap. Maybe I'll wrap it the same color as the F30. I really don't know. Possibilities are endless, but let's continue checking out the car here, doing a walk around. All 4 tires do hold air, and 3 of the 4 tires have good tread, but front right one here, front passenger tire is showing its wear bars right here, as you can see. Well, I don't know if you can see that. It's on its way out, and that is 100% attributed to the blown out strut. You can see it moving here. You can move this wheel a tremendous amount. It looks like the strut like either bent or snapped right in the middle because it's flexing right there. So new front struts, I don't know, gonna run me 200 bucks maybe for a new set. I haven't even checked, so I really don't know, but get a new set, maybe a pre-owned set that's in good shape. We'll be back in action in terms of that. Now, I told you guys on the ride down to Worcester, I was expecting to have to replace the transmission on this car because the ad did say the transmission creates a lot of vibration at high RPMs, mainly like when you punch it to get on the highway. I haven't experienced that because I haven't even taken the car on the road. It's not registered or insured yet. But we hopped in the car. Gotta get these windows down. Kind of refreshing to have a physical key again. Starts right up. Front windows work. The rear windows do not work right now, but I know how to replace those regulators. Shifter in the drive. No noises whatsoever. Just go for a little loop around the driveway, but you guys get my point. Car runs and drives perfectly fine. 500 bucks, guys, what? So while we're in here, we got dark wood trim. Probably gonna wrap that as well. Pretty basic, outdated steering wheel. I may replace this with an M Sport wheel if I can find one. Black leather seats. Pretty standard. There are some these are either from cigarettes or the dogs that he was bringing to the dog park in this thing. Probably I'll see if I can get a new seat cover for this. Maybe new seat covers all around. Not a spotless interior. We have some tearing right there. Maybe I can get a cover of sorts for that. Rear seats are pretty spotless. No real major damage there. I'll show you the trunk in just a second. Of course, the infamous BMW cup holder. Pop-out cup holder's broken. We'll fix that though, don't worry. Go quickly show you guys the trunk. So we got a nice, big, spacious X3 trunk here. Free dog hair included. Needs a good deep cleaning. Yeah, I mean, what you would expect to have an X3. Power outlet, pretty standard, but it'll make for a good car for hauling a bunch of stuff in the back. You know, I can put down the seats, throw a bunch of stuff in there. I'm gonna put a trailer hitch on it, or at least I plan to, so I can haul like dirt bike or something on the back. But yeah, honestly, pretty solid car. So that's my new 2005 BMW X3 that I got off Facebook Marketplace for 500 bucks. As I said, I really don't know at this point what I'm gonna be doing with this car. We'll get it in the garage here later on this week, put it up on the Max Jack's lift that I do all my work on. We'll get her up in the air, take off that passenger front tire, see what's going on with the suspension, give the car a once over underneath, see what's going on with it. We'll see how much it costs to get this thing back up into fully operational condition. I think with a new front strut and a new tire, we'll be back on the road before you know it. I know you guys think this is probably pretty goofy that I bought an X3 instead of a sedan like I've always done, or a coupe, or really anything more sporty than an X3, but I think it'll be fun. We can do some exhaust mods, wrap it, wheels and tires. Hell, we could put it on coilovers if we wanted to. So the possibilities are endless. 500 bucks. Don't really care what we do with this car. So leave me tons of suggestions down in the comments below what you want to see done to this X3. Please go leave a like down below, subscribe for more BMW content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on JD Cars.
Listen.